This is a brand new 2020 Evolution Pro Series. Full review. This is the Pro Series. Comes with a 6.2 kilowatt motor, 130 amp lithium battery pack. The way you're seeing it, the way it's standard. 14-inch wheels on low profile tires, two-tone seats, candy apple red. We did opt for the black inserts in the wheels and the cup holders, which was an extra charge. Seat belts are standard. All four. Back seat flips open. Nice storage compartment. And there's the charger. Some paperwork for an LSV. Cup holders. Extended roof grab bar. Rear backup camera. Dashboard with full display. Do have Bluetooth. Regular radio. As you can see, our demo has 57 miles on it so far. Comes with a nice dial for forward, reverse, high-low, battery, USB port, another USB port, or monitor. You can see it doesn't want to tighten. Quality piece there. If you back it up, it does have a backup camera. Side mirrors, foldable windshield, onboard charger, lithium battery. Like I said, the odometer here, 57 miles on this car. Now with 57 miles on this car, we were shipped with the damaged corner like that. The body itself is pretty weak and flimsy. You see right here, overall pretty weak, pretty fragile too. The cutouts here from factory, paint here all distorted. Right here the body is actually cracked. Oh, windshield too. Windshield's cracked right there.
Oh, it came like that?
Didn't come like that. This is just over. This is 54 miles of driving this car. Normal driving, guys. Nothing crazy.
Nope.
Normal subdivision driving. Actually, majority of its miles were on a campground with a speed limit of 5 miles an hour. Take it for a drive. Give you what it does. So right out the gate, you hear all the squeaking. display is nice. Going 15 miles an hour. A lot of squeaks, a lot of cricks. A lot of moving around. Overall, kart performance and speed doesn't really start picking up until 20-something miles an hour. It's got good handling. No hydraulic disc brakes, only rear brakes. We're gonna take it inside and we're gonna put it up on the lift. And we'll give a full review of this thing. Locked in.
That's it. So I know last time we shot a video, you were talking about something with the steering column.
When we first got the cart, this thing drove extremely smooth.
Right.
But about 6 miles in, it started showing us defects. Steering's gotten tight,
Okay.
almost to a point where it's hanging up. Coilovers are nice. It gives her a nice smooth ride. More of an A-arm style in the stock suspension. Underneath is an all steel frame. Steel powder coated frame with a lifetime warranty is what they claim.
Okay.
Lifetime warranty. Monster 6.2 kilowatt motor.
Yeah, we can't complain with this motor. It's a nice motor for sure.
It's a very nice motor. With
Yeah.
a lithium battery.
Yeah, we can't complain with that.
Triple leaf springs.
Oh, got those. I mean, she's not bad. She's just, you know, we guys know that a lot of people had questions about it, so we figured, hey, we got it. Might as well just do a full review on
I
it.
will tell you that the backup camera right here
Uh-huh.
is really flimsy and probably break.
Oh yeah, that is kind of, it's
adjust?
already kind of.
And then you see just the smoothing of the electrical tape.
Exactly, yep.
I mean, this is as full in as you get, you know.
Right.
Only one color sided painted on the body.
Right.
They are painted bodies. Construction of the cart seems good.
You said the body seems a little flimsy though, right?
Body seems flimsy.
Uh-huh.
And if you look right here, they've added some counterweights to this front end.
Oh yeah, yep.
Got these J hooks here with 2 counterweights, which I'm not sure
Not sure what
why
that
they got
is.
the weight on the front of the car.
Yeah.
Front end similar to a Precedent, just the back way with these ball joints. The coilovers are different than any other cart.
Those are some nice
Standard
coils.
carts.
Yeah.
It's got the bump steer so you can adjust the steering,
Okay.
which is nice. Electronics on the cart seem decent.
So would you?
Price point seems decent.
So you would recommend it for the price point?
I would have recommended it for the price point, but their customer service is absolutely horrible.
Yeah.
It's any hard getting parts,
Mm-hmm.
any hard getting any communication for it.
Mm-hmm.
This cart is actually a demo that we purchased to bring in to give a review. Steering wheel's just, you know, steering, like, just look at that flex.
Look at that.
You know?
Yeah.
Here's
And then the seat,
the seat, just
very, very flimsy.
tiny board in there.
Yeah.
Like the seats are nice. Don't know how long they're gonna hold up for.
Exactly.
See here, it's already.
It's already starting to lift a little bit. Like we said, only 57 miles on it. You know, driving 5 miles per hour. I mean, but we're about to go take it and see what kind of top speed we could get with it, just so y'all know. So stay tuned.
You know, how would you do a test?
do a test. Test some theories out in the range, dude.
Okay. What we come up with.
It's about 60 degrees here.
Yeah.
We're in shorts.
Storms, you know.
All right, we're at dead stop.
Yeah, stop.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, shit. The shit. Oh, just nose over.
Yeah.
Wow.
it struggled hard.
Hey, if there was 4 adults in here, never would have
All
made it.
right, let's try the low now. That wasn't high. Ready?
Yep.
Hey, let's see what you got. Oh, baby. Come
Look
on,
at-
baby. She tried.
She's not doing it.
She's so fucking low.
No, she moving.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
We are inching, boys.
Got it. Oh. Yeah,
Barely. Fucking barely. All right, let's say you have a long incline though, not so steep. Just a long one.
buddy. Let's see how we do on this one.
Okay.
She's struggling.
Oh!
Nope. Oh, that's all she had. She gave it all she had.
All right. You got a little speed.
There we go.
You got a little speed.
There
Got
we
some
go.
speed. It definitely picked up some speed there. 3 miles an hour. Over the hill.
Damn.
Probably would.
So,
They ain't worried about us.
ooh, that's about. Ooh,
Ooh. Ooh.
does it right now?
Yes, she is, dude.
Ooh.
Oh.
Now, boys, we're doing some riding out here.
We deep in the woods now.
We are deep, boys. We're really deep. That's what should handle it, though, dude.
So despite its big motor, I don't even know if I'll hit full speed all the way down there. 0 miles an hour. Does have 2 modes on it. That was in high. Put it in low. So low does 13 miles an hour. You can't on the fly switch it. The cart doesn't really start climbing until it hits almost 23, 24. It's about right here. We'll come mark that later. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. About 30 feet from full speed to stop. With only rear brakes. Bye.
Hey, easy gonna take off like nothing.
DC, dude. DC motor.
DC.
Look at this. Look at this pig. Get up. This is a stock golf cart
Stock.
with lead acid batteries in it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this thing weighs a heck of a lot more.
Right. What year is it?
We don't know the year, but it's somewhere between 2001 and 2013.
And this is
That
Brand-
is 2020 6.2 kilowatt AC motor lithium powered golf cart.
Yep.
This is a 48 volt lead acid battery DC motor.
So we about to just put them to the test. Let's see how this goes.
Hill climb test.
All right, let's see what they got. Look at that.
I just hit a hole.
Oh,
They rejected me.
look at that.
It literally just rejected me. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna
So we
switch it up here.
hit a hole. She wasn't having it.
No, she wasn't.
She wasn't
having
having it. That easy go though. She a trooper.
Direct drive.
See how this goes. Bruh. What the?
Dude, it was all the way down.
It was all the way down too. This hill right here, as y'all can see, is a lot bigger. Easy go about a 1945. All right. Go. Oh, evolution. Oh, nope, never mind. Spoke too soon. Oh. Man. So now y'all see the difference. I mean,
I don't know. I mean, I tried low. I tried high, and
Which one do you think is stronger?
which one worked best?
honestly, the easy go pull way on me. I mean, I was
Do
down.
you think this DC motor's stronger than that one?
I think this motor's turned down. It's when they tuned it and they set it up. I just don't think they gave it enough. They really were just a little too conservative with it. I think this thing could be tuned more to do more, but as factory settings, it's factory. These goes got it. Oh, I mean, considering you got the AC motor, you got the lithium and all that, we shouldn't be struggling.
Right.
Yeah, I think we just need to do maybe a speed test now. To start at the.
We're gonna mess with
God damn. Let's hit that one more time. Man, I don't know how you got all that air. That shit was crazy, fella. This is nothing compared to what you did in the Ripper. Oh, nope. I almost hopped out.
We're getting called out over here.
Check this out.
All right.
Try to call us out.
We're gonna do on 3 here.
All right.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Move it. Move it. Smoking us out, goddamn! He got us. And that's gonna be a wrap for us today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because y'all think that we do crazy stuff here. We got a lot more crazy stuff coming. You already seen the teaser. We out.